Historians suggest that the mango originated from a large region including northwestern Myanmar, Bangladesh, and northeastern India. Earlier historians and visitors' documents may have suggested that mangoes originated in India and then spread to Southeast Asia and the rest of the world, but taxonomic and molecular evidence is more recent. Mango trees grow best in tropical and subtropical climates. Mango, Mangifera indica, is medicinal tree. The juicy mango fruits are available in summers. But leaves of this evergreen tree is available throughout the year and are useful in treating various ailments. The leaves can be consumed in two ways, either in powdered form or as a concoction made by boiling the leaves in water. The leaves are rich in antioxidant properties. Apart from being useful in medicine, it can also be utilized in the culinary field, as can be seen by the fact that mango leaves are cooked and eaten in Southeast Asia. Here are some vitamins and minerals contained in mango leaves. Vitamin A, Vitamin C, Vitamin B, Vitamin E, ethyl acetate, caffeic acid, tannin, omega-6 fatty acids, alkaloids, steroid, beta-carotene, dietary fibers, magnesium, triterpenoids, magnephyrine, saponins, phenolics, and flavonoids. Along with all of these, the mango leaves are also filled with other properties like antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, hypotensive, antiviral, and anti-diabetic, which increases the number of health benefits it provides to people with age-no-bar. With this being said, you can guess there are a lot of health benefits. 7 health benefits of mango tea. 1. It is known to help dissolve gall and kidney stones. For this remedy, we need to dry mango leaves in the shade and grind it into a fine powder. Have some powder mixed with water and rest it overnight. Drink the mixture daily for best results. 2. It's also known to help with respiratory problems such as cold, asthma, and bronchitis, can greatly affect our day-to-day activities. When it comes to these conditions, mango leaves are especially useful. Make a concoction using mango leaves and honey and drink it regularly. 3. The benefits of mango leaves are rarely known more as a restless reliever. You can add 2 or 3 cups of mango leaves herbal tea into your bath water. Then shower as usual and you will feel fresh and comfortable sensation. 4. It's also said that if you have hiccups or throat problems, mango leaves are a good home remedy. Burn a little bit of mango leaves and inhale the smoke to cure hiccups and throat problems. 5. Put some mango leaves in warm water, then cover the container and leave overnight. The next morning strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. Perform it routinely so it will act as a good tonic stomach and helps to prevent various stomach ailments. 6. Mango leaves contain tannin, or called anthocyanins. It is useful rhinopathy, treating diabetes and other vascular apathies. 7. It also can be useful in treating oral thrush or mouth blisters, an infection of the mouth caused by the candida fungus or yeast. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive problems. How to make mango tea. 1. Bring a saucepan of water to boil. 2. Add 3 tablespoons of dried mango leaves to a tea infuser or teapot. 3. Allow the leaves to steep for approximately 5 minutes, 7 for a stronger brew. 4. Strain the leaves, then add honey or sugar, as desired. You can also add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to give it a citrusy flavor. 5. If you wish to have it cold, which most people do, simply allow it to cool and add ice cubes. You can also refrigerate it for a few hours and then have it chilled. Either way, enjoy the drink. You can also use mango nectar or pulp in tea bags instead of dried mango leaves. Support your mind and body with natural herbal tea. Great for your body and easy to make. Now you know the benefits of mango tea and how to make it. Subscribe to our channel and get more natural health tips.